This is Pre-Calculus, Part 1, Section 4.2, Trig Functions, the unit circle. Example 5 on page 482, using quotient and reciprocal identities. Given that the sine of t is 2/5 and the cosine of t is the square root of 21 over 5, find the value of each of the four remaining trig functions. You can draw the triangle for this if you'd like. But knowing that tangent is sine over cosine and secant is 1 over cosine and blah blah blah, so knowing all of those ratios and quotients, it makes it much easier than having to draw the triangle. Not that triangles aren't cute or anything, but so tangent is sine over cosine, so 2/5 over square root of 21/5 multiplied by the reciprocal. The 5's cross out, so that leaves you with 2 over square root of 21, which we cannot leave, so you have to rationalize. Multiply bottom and top by square root of 21, and you get 2 square root of 21 over 21. That's tangent. Okay, cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine, so 1 over 2/5. Again, multiply by the reciprocal, 5/2. Anything times 1 stays the same. Secant is the reciprocal of the cosine, so 1 over square root of 21 over 5, multiply by the reciprocal, rationalize that, we have to multiply by square root of 21 to get it out of the denominator, and then 5 square root of 21 over 21. Cotangent is 1 over the tangent. What I usually do, if I had to fix the tangent, I back up to this point and flip it. Then you don't have to do any work. Okay, so I back up to the point before I had to fix the tangent, and if I take the reciprocal of that, I get square root of 21 over 2 and I don't have to fix it. Okay, if I were to take the reciprocal of this, the final answer for the tangent, I'd have to fix it because I'd have that square root in the denominator instead. So when you're looking for reciprocals, if you've already had to fix it, for example, in the sine we didn't have to fix. Cosine, if we had to fix that when we found it, then the secant we could just kind of back up in our calculations and find out what it was. But rather than take this and have to fix it again, I would back up to here and just flip it. Okay, so the checkpoint wants the other four functions for where the sine is 2/3 and the cosine is square root of 5 over 3. So cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine. We're going to do 1 over 2/3 multiplied by the reciprocal. Secant is 1 over cosine, multiply by the reciprocal. We have to clear that denominator, so rationalize, and you get 3 square root of 5 over 5. Remember that tangent is sine over cosine. So 2/3 over square root of 5 over 3. Multiply by the reciprocal, the 3's drop out. That won't always happen, sometimes, but not always. So we have 2 over the square root of 5. We have to rationalize that, so 2 square root of 5 over 5. Now for cotangent, because we have to take the reciprocal of the tangent, I would actually back up to here and take the reciprocal of this, rather than taking the reciprocal of this and having to fix it. So if I take the reciprocal of 2 over the square root of 5, it's square root of 5 over 2.